Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and prepare for these upcoming moves for Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you know guys, we have been trading in this sideways channel for quite some time, for a couple of weeks, yeah? And guys, if you also want to trade, there's a huge giveaway going on right now on Bybit. And you have to use my link down in the description to register if you want to participate. You can win a Lambo and a Rolex, and also you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my link down in the description. So if you want a Lambo or a Rolex, use my link to participate. So let me show you. So we are trading here, and so we're gonna use the fib levels first of all to see where do we find some support. Let me show you guys here, fib retracement. We go from the swing low to the swing high. And it's also important, if you watch my last video, I talked about this already, because we had the situation that we were around here, that we have to break above this white line and also above this turquoise line to break bullish. And as you can see, we got rejected. So then as of right now, you can see we are trading at the 0.382 fib level. And again, so we are trading between the fib level and the yellow line, which acts as resistance now, okay? So to break bullish, so we have a good coincidence now going on right now, because first of all, let's remove the fib levels, then you can see it better. So first of all, if we break the yellow line and the turquoise line, which would actually happen right now more or less at the same moment, because you can see we are here on the 4-hourly time frame. They somehow line up at the same price level at around $29,435. So if this would happen, yeah, if you're standing on a sideline now and you're not in a trade right now, then you can definitely enter a long position, yeah. And let me show you the profit targets of this trade. As you can see here, we could start here with a long position. Let's say if you break this, let's say 4-hourly close, then we enter long position. Sorry guys, the profit target would be up here, yeah, the final profit target, and the stop loss we would place a little bit below this line. So you have a 1.44 risk to reward ratio, yeah. And let me show the percentages, but it's much more likely that this pattern would break out to the upside, okay? So we're gonna remove this. And let me show the potential profit. So we're gonna enter long position, yeah? First, if we would break this target or move up here, we would have 1.60% profit. Next one here, 2.15%. Next one, 4.3%. And up here, this would be a profit target of, let's say around 6.2%. This means if you are, or if you open a 100K long position, if you hit the target, first of all, this is also perfect confluence, because first of all, the technical price target of this breakout of this pattern would be up here, plus we have this white line acting as resistance since a long time. So if you would open a 100K long position, you would have a profit of around $6,200, which is not too bad, I would say. So so it's very important, okay? Set your alarms first of all. If you break this line, I would set an alarm on this line here. If we have a break, yeah, if you have a break of this line, then you should really watch out and prepare to enter long position. Of course, it could also be a fake out. That's why I would wait to play it safe for a 4-hourly close outside of this turquoise line here, yeah. So that's what you should look out for Bitcoin now. Let's now go to Ethereum, guys. Let's go here. So what is going on here? Also very interesting, guys. Let me show you here on the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see here, also again perfect confluence, because as you can see here, it's getting we are getting closer and closer. First of all, we have this turquoise line acting as resistance, and we also have the white line acting as resistance. So also we are trading, let me show you on the bigger time frame, we are trading in this marked with the white lines in this ascending broadening wedge, okay? So once we would be able to break above this white line, it is now acting as resistance, because for quite some weeks it has been acting as support. Now it's acting as resistance. But As you can see here marked with the turquoise lines, we are trading within a descending channel, which is much more likely to break out to the upside, okay? And the technical price target would be up here at around $1,942. And again, perfect confidence, because also the next or the second resistance level would be up here. So let me show the potential trade setup here. So we could enter sorry guys, we could enter long position once we break this here. So if we break here, okay, we open here. So until this first resistance would be 1.7%, to the next resistance 3.38%. Same, let's say you open a 100k long position, potential target of just the breakout of this turquoise pattern would be 3.3% or almost 3.4%. With a 100k position would be around profit of around $3,400. But the bigger picture, if you look at the bigger picture, let me show you. If you would move up here, we can even extend this line, because this would go here somewhere. Let's say we reach this target, yeah, then the potential profit, let's say we would have a profit of around, let's say 12. Again, great confidence, because we have the resistance line at 2,114 plus. At this point we would also reach this white line here. Let's say around 12% with the 100k position, you would have a profit of around $12,000. Yeah, so it's very important. I would set alarms for Bitcoin and Ethereum, for both right now, if you're standing on the sideline and you're not in a trade, because once we break this white line and this turquoise line, this would be really bullish, really bullish. So I would set an alarm for this turquoise line if you break it, but don't get fooled. That means it could be a fake out. So I would wait for a 4-hour close above the turquoise line, and once this happens, then this would be really bullish, because we would be above the turquoise line and of course also above the white line here. So this would be really, really nice long positions for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum. So guys, be prepared for this, yeah? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.